On this beautiful Earth Day, I want to welcome all of you out into nature. So you can do this in your mind's eye, or you can go outside and connect as deeply as you would like. So first, take a breath, close your eyes or gaze down. Notice your feet on the earth. One more breath, really engaging with the earth, feeling the earth lift into your feet as your feet press into the earth. Open your eyes, stretch up and salute the sky with open arms. Connect with all that is above you, the beauty of the sky. And then flow back and forth, your body, your arms. Feel the breeze, that you are a plant. Connect with the plant energy, the grass, the trees, all of the beautiful things. And then moving like water, flow down to a forward fold. And as you release, salute the earth, touching it if you're able. And then bring your arms out like an animal, greeting the moment as you stand back up, feeling into the space around you. Taking all of those animal qualities, whatever they may be. And then collect all of these gifts from nature and bring them into your heart. Taking a pause with your hands at your heart. Closing your eyes or gazing down. Bringing your attention back to your breath. Feeling your place as a part of nature. I hope you have a beautiful day. Go out and spend it in nature.